Okay, let's do this. So this actually got delivered to my doorstep 2 days ago, but I've been, busy since then. So let's do this. So in this one box, I think we're gonna find, the phone. That's the new iPhone mini. Yes, iPhone 13 mini. And yes, that's the smooth Q4 from Zhiyun. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a Chinese high-tech company. Okay, what else? Screen protector. Yeah, that's about it. And the charger, the adapter. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, what else? This actually came in a separate package. So this is the DJI remote mic, which I'm gonna use for the later videos. So I'm apologizing now for the poor sound quality because we are, as we speak, recording using my old iPhone X. Alright, so let's do the first one. iPhone 13 mini. Okay, I don't think we need the box cutter. So, yeah, I think we're supposed to rip this apart. Oh no, you don't have to. Okay, there you go. So this is green. I don't know, what kind of green they're calling it, but I mean, come on, it's green. And so that's the phone. Yeah, the cable. Designed by Apple in California, and that's pretty much it. I think there's just some. Oh. Yeah, just the classic, sticker, warranty, and the pin. By the way, whatever you call it in your country. So, okay, I'm not gonna actually remove the cover because we're gonna use the protector, the cell phone protector, the casing later, okay? So, that's the phone. Let's put this aside and do the next one, which will be, yes, the Zhiyun Smooth Q4 with a built-in extension rod. Honestly, I've been expecting this because right now I'm actually using a painting easel to set my old phone on. So yeah, this is gonna be a great upgrade. I mean, come on. Excuse me. Alright, so service card. Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Los Angeles. The button description. You can also download the complete menu from this QR code. Yeah, I think this gimbal is gonna be a great help because as you can see right now, I cannot really move my phone there. So, okay, that's the menu. Aha. Okay, this for protection, I guess. Okay, so it actually is lighter than I expected. Okay, that's the Q4 Zhiyun. I don't know if it's charged already, so, but again, this is just an unboxing, so I'm not gonna actually try it, but, so supposedly, okay, so this is the tripod. Very light. This is right. So there's lock and unlock here, so I think this is for, I don't know, the extension. We're gonna find that out later. So, all right, let's put this aside. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Yes, the DJI 大疆 mic. So this is like one transmitter and one receiver because I'm pretty much doing this just on my own, so this is all I need. So that's, yeah. Oh. Yes, that's the warranty, the quick start guide. Okay. And safety guidelines. Okay. All right. Good. Actually comes in a bag, some kind of, yeah. All right. I think, yeah, this is how you clip the mic on your clothes, I guess, on your shirt. And okay, the adapters, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use this later for my iPhone 13 mini. Yes, I love all mini versions of stuff. Mini Coopers, miniature human. Yeah, my kids, by the way, I mean. Okay. The dead cat, right? I think that's how they call it. But yeah, more like a dead hamster. Sorry, but yeah. Okay, so the stars. Yep. I don't know. I think this is the transmitter because the receiver is gonna be much smaller and lighter, according to some reviews that I watched on YouTube, and apparently it is. Alright, so by the way, I'm not gonna do the screen protector and the case because, you know, it's generic, but I'm still gonna open this up. So this is like 20 watts power adapter. Yep. Let's open this. I'm sorry for not opening it earlier. Okay, unboxing the adapter. Yeah, it's pretty standard, but they do claim this is like much lightning, as they call it. So supposedly this is much faster. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna take this off. There you go. All right. USB-C power adapter. That's pretty much it. Yeah, thank you for your time. So I'm gonna test all these gears and in my next video. So later. Thank you.